Patil, and our today's video topic is Java Arraylist. So first of all, we see about what is the Arraylist in Java. Java Arraylist are the class that uses for the dynamic array for storing the elements. So it is similar to the array, but there is no size limit. We can add or remove the elements anytime, so it much more flexible than the traditional array. It is we can extend it by using the include the java.util package in our program. It is like a vector in the C++. The array list in the Java can have the duplicate elements also. It implement the list interface, so we can use all the methods of the list interface here also. The array list maintain the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. The important point about the array list class are the array list class are contain the duplicates elements. The Java array list class maintains the insertion order. The Java array list class is non-synchronized. Java array list allows the random access because the array works on an index basis, so we can add or remove elements from any position from the array list. In array list, manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java, because a lot of shifting needs to occur if the element is removed from the array list. Uh, we can use we can we cannot create an array list of the primitive type, such as the integer, float, char. It is required to use the required wrapper class in such a cases. For example, so in this case we need the array list, and in the angular brackets we can use the type of the data type, that is the integer, and create the object of it, and is equal to the array list, and also the in angular brackets the data types, uh, and the two parentheses, and so java array list Java array list which varies according to the elements getting added or removed from the list. And the hierarchy of the array list class are the Java array list class extends the abstract list class, which implements the list interface. The list interface extends the collection and the iterable interface in the hierarchical order. The array class declaration are included in the java.util.arraylist class. If we need to define, then the syntax is public class arraylist, and in angular brackets pass the objects, and it extends the arraylist objects and implements the list of type of that, and random access and clonable serializable. There are the constructor of the array list and angular brackets. So this method is used to build an empty array list. Next one was the array list and collection extends the uh, object. It is used to build an array list that is initialized with the elements of the collection. Next one was the array list and gives the capacity. It is used to build an array list that has the specified initialized capacity, that will we can give to the array list as the parameter. There are the some methods are defined in the Java for the array list for perform the functions. There are some in that we can explain it one by one. That is first is the add method. The add method takes the two argument, that is the index and the element, and this method is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in the list. Next one is the boolean add. This method gives only one object, and it is used to append the specified element at the end of the list. Next one was the clear method. It is used to remove all the elements from the. It is used to add the elements from the list. Next one was the e-get method. The e-get method takes as one index, and it is used to fetch the element from the particular position. It gives the element at position elements found at that position. Next one was the boolean is empty. This method is returns the true if the list is empty. Otherwise, it returns false. Next one was the integer last index. It takes as a object. This method is used to return the index in the list of the last occurrence of the specified element, or minus one if the element is not present in the list. Next one was the object to array method. It is used to return the array containing all the elements in this list in the correct order. Next one is the object clone method. It is used to return a shallow copy of the array list. It gives the similar array that contains the element of the original array. Next one was the boolean contains method. It also takes the object as an argument. This method returns true if the element are present in the list, present in the array list, and if not, then it will gives us minus one. Next one is the integer index of method, and it takes also as the one object. And this method is used to return the index in the list of the first occurrence of the specified element, or return minus one if the element does not exist in the list. Next one was the remove method. It also takes as the one argument, and this method removes the element present at the specified position, and it is remove that element. Next one was the uh, replace all method. It is used to replace all the elements from the list with the specified element. Next one was the set method. The set method was also takes as a two argument, that is the first one was the index, and second one was the element that to be replaced. It is used to replace the element at in the list at the position at where we can use as the index. Next one was the integer size method. This method will return us the number of the elements present in the array list. Next one is the void trim to size. It is This method is used to trim the capacity of the array list instance to be the list of the current size. Now we can see what is the difference between the Java non-generic and generic collection. The Java collection framework was the non-generic before JDK 1.5. Java new generic collection allows us to have only the one type of object in the collection. Now it is a type shape, so typecasting is not required at the runtime. So in this way, the generic examples are, first is array list, new array list. This is creating the old. This is creating the non-generic type. Now we can see how to create the generic type list. The syntax is array list, in that gives as the pass as a string, and list is equal to new array list and the strings. In a generic collection we specifies the type in the angular base. Now in a array list is forced to have the only specified type of the object in it. If you try to add another type of the object, it gives us the compile time error. So this is the all about